When I joined Punjab Technical University and looked around that what is the reputation of the universities and what is required for the university in future. First thing I found out that the credibility of the university has to be raised to a level that is acceptable not only in India but outside also. And that was academic standard and academic need as per the modern education system is concerned. The second priority was how to fund this university, and we had to be self-sufficient if we want to work on our will to make this university one of the best university in the country.
One of the major features of technical education has been that Punjab was kind of exporting students to other states like Karnataka, Maharashtra, but that trend has now been reversed. Now we get students from other states and we have the capacity for the quality technical education in the state. This is a very, very happening sector, and I think the sector will further grow in the years to come.
With collaborations in place for faculty and student exchange and training, the university is in a position to offer quality education in the areas of engineering, management, health sciences, other professional courses, and language studies. Propelled by the vision and wisdom of our leaders, PTU continuously strives to discharge its duties in the overall improvement of the quality of education in the state, and to make sure that the courses offered remain relevant to students, both local and international, and to society in a globalized work environment. Let us hear from some of the important functionaries of PTU about the various initiatives taken by the university for imparting education effectively.
We are establishing 20 state-level institutes in the name of Punjab Institute of Technology, where university would provide best of the art infrastructure and faculty as compared to the national level institutes, that is IITs. Now university team is trying to develop the university as a center of excellence which do not provide only degrees but produce thinkers, creators and innovators for the best future of the state, and the university which perform a proactive and decisive role in overall socio-economic development of the state.
Distance education program of Punjab Technical University is very popular among the masses. This program was set up in 2001 by the university. The academic resources of the university are best among the other universities. We have CBTs, LMS, SIMS for all courses we are running. So in totality we are running 60 courses in 2 streams, that is information technology, management and applied technologies.
Teaching schemes and curriculums are regularly updated to make it at par with the technology and job oriented. The subject on human values have also been introduced to add the value to the technical education. The institutions affiliated to the university are regularly inspected and audited academically so that they will provide a quality of infrastructure to the students studying in these institutions.
we are promoting world-class research among our faculties and our students. To promote that, we are establishing a central facility for instrumentation in which the students will have the facilities to go for their testing and other research works. To promote innovation among our students and faculties, we have allocated 2 crore rupees called Prototype Development Fund. Further, our BTech students go for 6 months internship in the industries. For the international exposure of our faculty and PhD students, we provide travel grant to go abroad.
This is the first state university which has implemented the e-governance project. We are connected to all the colleges affiliated to us in the state of Punjab under NME's ICT project and are providing all the data provided through NCAN Mission. This is the first university which has also implemented the e-office project.
Special care is taken by the university to establish partnership with industry.
PTU and CII have evolved this great method where an industry will get seamless interns. A student which is coming for 6 months of internship, in the 5th month the next student comes in. So he will give him how much work he's done, he will tell him what is to be done in future and what he's done. So the program continues till he comes to the end of the project, and the industry sees that they've actually got something done by the students, so they immediately get energized, whilst also the problems are getting solved. So this is becoming a real win-win both for the institutes and for the industry.
We are taking 50 to 60 students every semester, putting them in between a supervisor and a manager to work actually. So they work as a part of our team and they get the opportunity to do every kind of work. They don't stand at a distance from the equipment. They actually dismantle machines for maintenance, repair them, put them back. This will be like they are starting their job 6 months ahead of the others in their batch.
You know that Punjab has developed a state where not only students from all parts of the country, from all provinces, from all states are studying here in different colleges and universities, but also large number of students are coming from different countries. At present, we have students from more than 35 countries studying in different courses. As Vice Chancellor of Punjab Technical University, I invite all of you to have an experience of education in Punjab, education at Punjab Technical University. I wish for a very successful and bright future for all my students.
When I came here, I really found PTU a great university. That was really nice. Their program, their methodology, excellent methodology around the other Asian countries. As far as degree is concerned, it's more valuable than other Asian countries, especially PTU, Punjab Technical University. It's a great university, and they give us more opportunities to develop ourselves.
Right now, the experience is just wonderful. I wonder, it's just a beautiful diversity view. It's a wonderful how PTT is taking things outside of the box. How can